Do you want to know how much the Ford Mustang Mach-E cost? Stick around and I will tell you the current price, compare the various models, and discuss dealership markups for the Mustang Mach-E. Hey y'all, I'm Deborah and I'm here to let you know the current price of the Ford Mustang Mach-E. Lucky for us, Ford reduced the price of the Mach-E last fall in order to remain fully competitive in a segment that is seeing dynamic price changes. Their words. Right now, the Mustang Mach-E's are being made to order, and the specs vary depending on which model you buy. Some of the options are available on all of the models. Some of the options are available for an additional fee, and some of the options aren't available on some of the models at all. If the option is going to make a difference in the price you pay for the car, I will discuss it. Let's get started. The low-cost option is the Select model, starting at $42,895, and the most expensive model is the GT, starting at $59,900. If you want an all-wheel drive car, then the California Route 1 is not an option for you. The GT is built with all-wheel drive, but if you want it on the Select or the Premium model, you will pay an additional $2,700 for it. The estimated range for the standard range battery is 211 to 230 miles. If you need longer range, then you will either need to buy the California Route 1 or GT models, which are built with the extended range battery, or buy the premium model and pay an additional $5,000 to upgrade to the extended range battery. Colors. All of the models are available in dark matter gray, shadow black, iconic silver, and space white for no additional cost. For an additional fee, you can get rapid red or star white. If you buy the GT model, you have two additional colors to choose from: Grabber Blue for no additional price, or Cyber Orange for an additional $600. Ford continues to develop new driver assistance technologies they call Ford Copilot 360. Ford Copilot 360 2.0 is available on all models and includes auto high beam headlamps, blind spot information systems with cross-traffic alert, lane keeping system, pre-collision assist with automatic emergency braking, post-collision braking, rear view camera, reverse brake assist, and reverse sensing system. The Copilot 360 Assist 2.0 is available on all models and includes intelligent adaptive cruise control with stop and go, lane centering, speed sign recognition, intersection assist, evasive steering assist, and connected built-in navigation system. Did you notice that I didn't mention hands-free driving? That's because if you want hands-free driving, you have to get the Ford Copilot 360 Active 2.0 and the 360-degree camera. Ford's Copilot 360 Active 2.0 includes Active Park Assist and Blue Cruise, which is Ford's hand-free highway driving feature. These options are already included on the Premium and the California Route 1 models. It costs an additional $1,900 to get it on the GT model. On the Select model, it is available in the Comfort Technology package, which I will talk about in more detail soon. Let's talk power. If power is important to you, then you should consider the GT model. For an additional $5,000, you can upgrade to the GT Performance Edition, which provides a slight increase in torque, and you get from 0 to 60 miles per hour 0.3 seconds faster. This additional power isn't that much different than the regular GT model, and it will reduce your estimated miles you can travel to 235 miles per fully charged battery. I do not think the small increase in power and reduction in mileage is worth $5,000, but that is your choice. The fixed glass roof is one of the features I wanted on my car, even though the backseat passengers are the only ones who can regularly enjoy it. If you want it, it is not available on the Select model. It is already included on the Premium and the California Route 1 models, and you can pay an additional $1,300 to get it on the GT model. The interior protection pack includes a cargo area protector and front and rear floor liners. It fits all models and costs $240. However, you may want to wait to order it since they have been on back order and may delay the delivery of your vehicle, as I discussed in another video. If you do not get the fixed glass roof, you have the option to have a black painted roof, which adds a sporty look to your paint job. On the GT model, it costs $385. On the Select model, it is included if you purchase the Comfort Appearance package. If you choose the Select model, there are two additional packages you get to choose from: the Comfort Technology package and the Comfort Appearance package. You don't have to get either of them, but if you want one, you have to decide which one you want. You cannot get both. Both packages include a cargo area cover, hands-free liftgate, heated front row seats, heated steering wheel, memory drive seat and side view power folded mirror, and 6-way manual passenger seat. If you want the hands-free highway driving feature, then you want to get the technology package. If you want 19-inch shadow silver painted aluminum wheels with high gloss black painted aero cover and a black painted roof, then you should get the appearance package. These packages are not included for the other models because most of the items are already included in those models or are available separately. Except for the California Route 1. There are 3 items that you cannot get on the California Route 1, and those are the heated steering wheel, the heated front seats, and the hands-free foot-activated liftgate. You cannot get those on the California Route 1. If you'd like to see a full list of the features available on each model, you can go to www.ford.com/SUVS/Mach-E/. Since the Mustang Mach-E is being made to order right now, negotiating the price is not an option. If you were able to negotiate a price, let me know in the comments. Ford has a wide range of models and options, so hopefully you can find one in your price range. As you can see, you can get the Mach-E for as low as $42,895 or as high as $68,940. These prices do not include tax credits that you may be eligible for or discounts that you may find, which I will discuss both in a future video. Another thing they do not include? Dealer markups. Even though the Ford Motor Company does not approve of individual dealerships marking up the price, some are still doing it. When you order your car online, you can see in the summary section if the dealership you picked is marking up the price. I have many dealerships in my area. I checked 3 of them online, and the 3 I checked did not have a dealership markup. However, I also checked some smaller towns where there wasn't any competition, and those dealerships did have a markup. I saw one dealership that had a $10,000 markup. That is insane. Since all the cars are being ordered online, the only reason you need to go to the dealership is to pick up the car. If your dealership has a $10,000 markup, go back and pick another dealership. There are many that are offering the price that Ford has set. You could drive to that city, you could stay the night in a hotel room, and then pick up the car and drive back home, and you will still spend a lot less money than a $10,000 markup. I hope this video answered your questions about the cost of a Mustang Mach-E and the different options that are available with the different models. Remember, these prices do not include the tax credit or discounts that you might receive that I will discuss in a future video. If you have any questions for me, please leave me a comment below, and I will see you next time.